My bird is going to take a bath. Yes, everybody, my bird is going to take a bath. She's super happy right now. I don't know if that's happy or sad. Well, let's just get this started. My bird's like, oh my god, what's going to happen? So my dad is cleaning this wash basin because it's very dirty. Finally, someone's cleaning it, other than me. Yeah, Savvy, I know. Now I'm not sure if my bird needs a bath because she's already looking pretty clean. What do you guys think? Does the bird look clean? Let me know in the comments because I am just too confused right now. Is she clean or not? So this is it. The bird's going to take a bath, which I don't really think. She's like squeaking so much, like I don't know what the heck is going on with her. Now what? Okay. Is my bird going to take a bath now or what?
She already knows what is going to come,
I think she's
and she doesn't like it.
Oh my god. Okay, she hates the bath. She hates the bath. She hates the bath. Oh my god, my bird hates my bath. Yep, my bird hates the bath. Oh my goodness. Oh darn it.
In her beak.
Hey guys, are you sure this is animal cruelty? Because I don't think so.
Turn it off. Okay, now just stay inside.
Oh, she just
Stay,
gets
stay,
scared.
stay.
Because the last time I took a video of my bird taking a bath, she was like looking pretty cute. Now she's like splattering water all over the camera. Oh my god. Oh my god. She got up. So guys, this is me taking a bath, but okay, this bird is not me, okay? Yeah, this bird is not me. The narrator who is filming this, I can't say it properly, is me. Oh, you just squeaked pretty loudly. Dumb bird. It looks pretty wet, to be honest. Light is not coming on. The bird. Take 2. We're going to give the bird again a bath.
Yeah.
So birdie, what do you think about taking a second time bath?
Come.
Alright, dumb bird, you're going to take a bath. And that's the last thing I would do. Hey, what the? Okay, does she look like a hawk or an eagle? She looks like the baby. She looks like it just squawked out of the egg. Oh my god. Hey, the wound on her wing.
No, that's not a wound. It's just this thing.
You guys see that? That's a wound. I don't think you can see it.
That's not a wound.
Oh, then what is it?
It's just the feather came out from there. That's all.
Ew. The bird came out again. Seriously? Seriously? Just seriously? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Enough. Come.
Okay, now the drying of the bird. Hey, I can't. No one can see the bird. Okay. She looks like a baby just hatched out of the egg. Okay. Okay, I guess the bird's one. The bird's kind of mad at me right now. So I know I have not been posting for a while, but I will be.
Done.
Dumb bird.
Enough.
You guys, Gumball does not like what just happened. And I know this is him after a few minutes. Yep, he's dead alright. Look at his head. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you can like and subscribe and also share this. Peace out.